Hey everybody, Craig Doty here from Grappler Media, and today I want to talk about Google My Business. So last week I had the privilege of being interviewed on eCoffee with Experts, hosted by Dawood Bukhari of Digital Web Solutions. And the last question that he asked me was if I had one special tip that I could give to local businesses. And the tip that I gave him was to claim and optimize your Google My Business profile. I heard recently that 1 out of 3 local businesses still have not claimed their profile. It's a free tool. It's very powerful and it really doesn't take much. And after the interview, I recalled that last year I put together a package, a full training guide on how to optimize your Google My Business profile. There's a couple of resources as well. In my attempt to help as many local businesses as I can, I'm going to make that package available for free. I'm going to put a link below this video. So go ahead, grab the free training guide. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You can reach me through LinkedIn or go to my website at grapplermedia.com and reach out to us there. We'd be happy to help you. Go for it. Go get that profile optimized. I can virtually guarantee that you're going to see results from your efforts. So go get them. Talk to you soon.